Welcome to my full review of Optima Tax Relief. If you're dealing with IRS tax issues, you've probably come across this platform. I decided to give it a try to see if it lives up to the promises made in their ads. From the moment I landed on the homepage, it was clear that the company positions itself as a leader in tax debt resolution and audit defense. The interface is professionally designed, with prominent calls to action to begin a free consultation. The initial intake process starts with a simple form asking about the amount you owe in back taxes, your state, and whether you've received any IRS letters. Once that's filled out, you're prompted to provide your contact information. Within a few hours, I received a call from a representative. The initial consultation was free, but it quickly transitioned into a sales pitch. They explained their two-phase process, starting with an investigation phase that costs nearly $500, followed by a resolution phase that depends on your specific tax situation. The representative was knowledgeable but clearly trained to follow a script. I was told that every case is unique, and they couldn't guarantee a specific outcome, which I appreciated for its honesty. However, they did push hard for me to enroll immediately. That high-pressure tactic felt uncomfortable, especially for a service that deals with something as sensitive as personal finances. Once I decided to go through with it, the investigation phase took around 3 weeks. They pulled my transcripts from the IRS and laid out the possible resolutions, offering compromise, installment agreements, or hardship status. Throughout this time, communication was consistent. I had access to a client portal where I could view updates, upload documents, and send messages. Many useful links you can find in the description. The portal itself was user-friendly, though not particularly modern. It served its purpose, but I've seen sleeker interfaces. The resolution phase is where things got more complex. I was paired with a tax attorney and a case manager. They submitted an offer in compromise on my behalf, which the IRS eventually rejected, something I was warned might happen. They then pivoted to setting up an installment plan, which was ultimately approved. In terms of results, I didn't save thousands like the ads suggest, but I did get a manageable monthly plan that stopped further IRS actions. The total cost of Optima's service was just under $4,000. That's a serious investment, and not one I'd recommend lightly. If your tax situation is simple, you might be better off working directly with the IRS or hiring a local CPA. But if you're overwhelmed or facing liens and levies, their team can help navigate the chaos. There are things I liked: professional staff, structured process, decent communication, but there are downsides too: aggressive sales tactics, high fees, and no guaranteed outcomes. I recommend asking a lot of questions before signing anything. Make sure you understand both phases of service and what's included. If you're considering Optima Tax Relief, I hope this honest breakdown helps you make an informed decision. If you had your own experience, good or bad, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more real reviews just like this.